Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, to discuss 2016, we've got with us sociologist Dr. Shiv Shankar Dayal. We've also got leaning anthropologist Mr. Big Smith, and a person who I personally feel very, very thankful for having on the show, a lady from the University of Charlotte. She's a dean, she's a PhD, Mrs. Virginia Venkat. She's married an Indian. All these will not be featured because of some issues with visas. So we'll have to turn to Kunal Vijayekar, so-called actor, Kaniz Surka, supposedly comedian, and Gopal Dutt Tiwari, artist he calls himself. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will discuss 2016 with them. Oh, God.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Yep, here on Cyrus Says, it's time to talk about a word I hate in India. It's called dude. I don't know why us Indians have to say dude. We can't say dude properly. Never say dude. For me, it just sounds like milk. Never say dude. We can say boss. We can say chief. My generation said sir. But don't say dude. Dude just sounds wrong. Hey, dude, what's up? Never say dude. Dude is banned in India. Henceforth, going into 2017, it's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Okay, here on Cyrus Says, you can hear the chuckling. 3 comedians plus Kaniz. I mean, it's fun. Fun to be on this show. Let me introduce everybody. We're from The Week That Wasn't, the show that we do with these 3 other persons. Kunal Vijayekar, director, internet robber of ideas. Kaniz, who comes when she feels like to attend our show. Kaniz plays the female roles that Kunal allows her to play because he plays the rest.
She's our overseas actor.
Overseas actor who's only overseas now, and less actor. And of course Gopal, who's sick of playing the lower middle class denominator and wants to now play the...
But I am the true representative
of the people. You're the Aam Aadmi person in the show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my...
But now you hardly do our work. You're more with TVF and AIB.
Hey, but this is not fair. How can we say that you are playing only lower middle class? Yeah? All Hindi-speaking people are not lower middle class. They are very, very rich at this point of time.
What's your point?
I am a poor man.
Tangent. No one will understand what you're saying.
No, the point is that I am terribly upper class, but I'm
nobody
very
cares
poor.
About. Nobody wants to talk about who you are.
I'm very poor.
We want to talk about the year that was or wasn't. So
what year that was?
Also, I played a maid.
Nobody cares. Did I mention nobody cares?
So she played a maid. English-speaking maid.
She plays Kaniz in every... She's like Salman Khan. She just plays Kaniz. We try to tell her what to play. हाँ गोपाल सही है नहीं?
Yeah.
Try कोशिश तो करता है.
Sometimes we have to put the disclaimer. Yeah. She's Kaniz, now she's playing a maid.
Yes.
ये बात
and Kaniz will now do a Punjabi accent, even though it's South African. You know, that's do a little Hindi for us just to prove our point.
नहीं.
अभी आप सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कीजिए.
ठीक है. मगर ये मैं ऐसा नहीं करो.
नहीं अभी टॉपिक देखो. पहले टॉपिक है यूएस इलेक्शंस. कनीज आपकी सोच विचार.
अरे हम सब बहुत बुरा है क्योंकि वो मानस है ट्रम्प वो जीत गया.
Manas, that's Gujarati. Manas is Gujarati as far as I know.
And she's being paid good money for a Hindi tutor.
Manusha, Purush, yes. Insan, perhaps.
Admi.
वो मर्द.
I don't know what is worse, Donald Trump or your Hindi. What the hell? Okay, listen, let's start properly. Kunal, as a director, as a reader, Kunal is the biggest reader out here. He reads one line and then turns the page. But in that one line, he gets everything. I've noticed. But there's no patience. How can he read a whole book, Gopal? How can he read a whole book?
You can't.
It's not possible. Snapchat was invented for Kunal.
I know a few theatre people who read the last page. The last
script.
Cover. No.
The last end. The
end. Cover.
Acha, cover.
Back. Description.
And then they say it's a book.
That's like when I go for Gopal shows, I go for the last minute.
From the deadly silence. We prefer you in Hindi, Kaniz.
Naveen, can we put in some laughter over there? Just
we don't get the nuances of our culture, you know. Okay, can we now talk about the topics of 2016 with these erudite group of people? US elections, Bernie Sanders. Anybody remembers Bernie Sanders?
Yeah.
Bernie Sanders was the new thing. Everybody thought Bernie Sanders has the youth vote and Bernie Sanders will rock. Well, the young people seem to flock to him in America, not here. So, Sarji, आप बताओ. Bernie Sanders, नए जो personalities अमेरिका politics में जो आए थे, they came, they went. What happened?
That's what happened. They came and they went. That's what happened.
But
And
it's amazing. They've got this complicated system where this Hillary Clinton may have got more votes, but yet loses an election.
Yeah.
Which I think Americans should change that system because
The electoral thing.
First of all, it's extremely complicated. Nobody understands how they do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Bernie Sanders, how did he lose the vote against Hillary Clinton? Is another
Exactly.
question.
Exactly, that's
it's another
my
question.
question.
Considering that he was more popular than Hillary
Some
Clinton.
say-
ever was.
And
That
he's
Hillary
a
Clinton-
very good speaker.
Yes.
He's
Yes.
a very nice.
Some
How
say-
did he become the Democratic candidate?
No, Hillary Clinton
Hillary.
apparently, the rumor is that Hillary Clinton is actually Bernie Sanders with a wig and that nobody can really tell. You know?
Ah.
This is a huge rumor.
Now
in-
we are talking sense.
But
Legal
is this
circle.
why Bill Clinton prefers Bernie Sanders to Hillary Clinton?
Again, your layup on layer thinking is too much for my listenership. So, by the time you decide whether they're lesbians, homosexuals, transsexuals, what exactly
My
in
problem
terms
with
of
Bernie's
country.
also really old.
Who?
Bernie.
No, he's one of those guys who looks older than he is, like Kunal. It's just a look. It's just a look.
No, that's not true. He was sort of labeled America's pet hate. Everybody thought he was communist. That is the big
Socialist,
problem.
yeah. They did that number. Okay,
That
quick
could really
override on the
drop your
elections. So Donald Trump won against the run of play. Nobody thought he'll win. Now you guys are all artists of sorts. At least Gopal, you're a theatre actor. Kunal, you're some sort of writer. And Kaniz, I have no
I'm
idea
a
what
painter.
I sing.
You're a singer.
I'm a singer.
You're a zinger. That's Malayalam for sing.
Zinger.
Sing something for us. Ravaz.
Ja jane man.
Okay,
tu hi
I think we've got the
dhadkan.
gist of your talent. Let's move on. Quickly, Donald Trump is at the helm of things come January. Should we be worried?
Yes.
That's your.
I'm
Why? We don't have to be worried. America has to be worried. What is it going to do with us?
No, it will affect us. And the problem with him winning is not, I'm not worried about him as a president, although I am, but just the culture someone like him winning, the culture that kind of comes out of that, and just the bullying.
But when they used to say when we were young that anyone can become president, I don't think they meant it this way. This is like the perversion of that sentence. It's like hope
like
for all.
the level of intolerance that's
Yes,
gonna like.
forget
go
the racism
up.
for a second, but also the economic point of view, his ties with Russia, his sudden love for Taiwan, attacking
Sure.
China in a sense. I'm getting a little scared that the man doesn't think things
Well,
through.
No, but we
which
don't
is
have
dangerous.
to worry. We don't have to. As long as we are not IT professionals, we are not computer engineers.
Fair
so
enough.
we're good.
And as long as we are not the older parents who have to now find green
But
cards to go there.
I don't understand why we are even alarmed by this whole thing, because he's Indian. Donald Trump is Indian. He's hired his
Donald
two
bolo na
sons.
bhai, Donald.
He's hired his two sons.
Correct.
And his daughter.
Correct.
And they're all going to run the government together.
Yeah, and all his
how
friends,
is he different from
and
Mulayam?
all his friends are coming out of the woodworks.
Yeah.
He wants his security advisor to be one guy who's never even been a watchman in his life.
Correct.
No
Yeah.
question of having an army background or FBI or CIA or anything.
Yeah.
So if all that happens, it's all clear nepotism. It's Mulayam. It's Mulayam. You're bang on.
Mulayam.
Now speaking of
Let's
Uttar
see.
Pradesh, let's move to the man who's vaguely from there.
No, I'm
He's not
I'm
from Uttar
I'm
Pradesh,
not
and he's
from
corrected
there.
me 7
from-
times.
He
Yeah.
broke the state to form his own.
Not alone.
दो भाई थे.
तो 20 साल पहले ये उत्तर प्रदेश से थे.
हाँ.
अभी नहीं है.
अभी नहीं.
All right, Kaniz, quickly, come on. Donald Trump, your quick views, last, and we move on.
No, I'm scared. I'm genuine. It will affect everyone else, and it will affect the world. And I had big dreams of going to America to make my career, because clearly it's not happening on the wheat that wasn't.
But being a brown skin girl, listen, I'll tell you one thing.
And
Even if you
Muslim.
insult us, you make fun of us, you put us down, there's always a role waiting for you, which we imagine to be one thing and you imagine to be another thing. Anytime you want. All right?
Oh, Cyrus, don't make this sappy now. Now I feel bad.
See, for me, it's one of a duck's back. We run a show which has had no change in numbers for the last 10 years. The same 11 people, the same 11 people.
But it's been meeting every week for 10 years.
God.
It's pretty
It's
awesome.
true. Every week 10 years
10
and
years.
now
It's like
every
Parliament.
day.
Yeah.
It's like a family. You're a
It's,
family.
Okay, let's not talk about ourselves.
Sorry.
Let's get back to the US elections. Okay, so we all say that Donald Trump...
आंसू आ गए. I can give you.
While you're crying, Donald Trump is going to be in power. We'll see how that pans out. Everybody's a little negative, except Kunal, who says he's Indian. We move on to Rio Olympics. You guys are very sporting.
Very.
Let's look at Kunal's background. Kunal was very good at carom as a young boy. And then after the finger injury, of course, gave up the game. His dream was shattered. Came home one day with his middle finger broken. And could not
And it's
insult...
still broken.
You still
See,
can't...
can you see it?
Oh, no, I
Can you
can't.
see it? See, it
No,
is broken
can you-
still.
Can you put it up?
Yeah, it's
Sorry. And Kaniz.
I have been,
Rio Olympics.
Rio
was in Brazil.
Olympics was, wow, what...
How many medals did India win? Just go back and tell us.
Okay, I know the answer. It's
is?
2.
Not bad!
Which
We
color?
won-
Which color?
Wait,
Which
who-
color?
Name,
won 2 bronze
name
medals.
the two ladies who won the medals.
The wrestler won.
What's the name? Yeah, that's right. And what is the famous badminton player who's right now, as we record, playing a
Sindhu.
Master Series? Very good.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
I actually not work out with her, but she was working out in my Pilates studio. And before the Olympics. And then
So you, in a way, have played a role
I
in
have.
her
It
becoming
was
the girl she is today.
pretty much because of me. She's where she is because of me.
So how does Pilates work? What do you do?
It's very
It involves getting up, Kunal, so you really want to know.
I'm just curious. I'm not
Pilates
doing
is
it.
very focused, like exercise. There's a machine.
I thought it's like a Punjabi trying to say plates. Oh, Pilates. That's what I always thought. I just presumed it was
It's,
bad pronunciation. Sorry, you were saying. What is
No.
Pilates?
I mean, it's an exercise that I've been to 3
Just tap
times.
Kunal on the shoulder, see if he's awake, so we can move on. But Rio Olympics, the big deal was Shobha Day controversy we had.
Yeah.
Saying, ki, we sent so many people. She was not fully off the mark, but got a lot of flack for that.
What do you mean she wasn't off the mark?
In the sense that, we do spend a lot of money, but for such a big country, our results are not always good. So in that sense, if it was worded correctly, proportionately, we are not doing as well as we should.
But that's the point. Like, she should have worded correctly. She worded incorrectly.
My
Like,
God, you really don't like her.
no, like that was like. I mean, you know how hard these people have worked to get there. Like,
Yes.
they
This-
don't have the resources and the money like other countries. They've really
Yeah.
put their heart
My
into this.
question is, why don't they have the resources and the money like
That's
other
another-
countries?
No. So
It's not
let's
like we are
understand.
really a poor
We're looking
country.
at- on a
If you
map-
look at the amount of cash that is coming out right now, we are not a poor country by any standards.
we're not.
We've got only poor people in this country.
We have poor people with no cash. The cash is in the country, but not with the people.
Yeah.
The problem is that between where the cash is and where the people are, there's a gap.
Correct.
And that gap is a long line where you have never stood, but your driver stands every day, poor chap.
No, my poor mother, over 70.
So for you, sexism over classism. I
She
appreciate
stands
that.
in the queue.
It's even worse.
I appreciate that.
No
Driver, बच गया.
driver.
संजय, तू आदमी है तो बच गया तू. Great.
Marat.
As you quite well put it. But I think the whole thing here, very quickly, once again, is on a macro level. We haven't done as well as we should have over the years, blah, 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 blah. But looking at them as individual stories, we shouldn't disrespect
Yes,
them because,
exactly.
these lower middle class people or people from with less economic power are able to push themselves
Exactly.
against the grain and come to where they are.
So
They're
like-
not people who were born in Breach Candy like Kunal and, basically...
Yeah, Breach Candy, which is a little lower than Malabar Hill where he was born. Huh?
and not lower in Uttaranchal, where he was born. All right.
So it's never
Rio,
what you say, it's how you say it. That is what I'm
Wow.
So if I say to you, it's okay. But if I say
Yes,
it's not
exactly.
wrong.
Yes.
Can we try that
The
again?
word has no meaning.
Yeah.
Intention has the meaning.
Yes, the intention and the yes.
Very, very vidwan. बहुत ही vidwan.
Can you do the whole thing in Hindi for us? Just,
Yeah.
please. Very nice. Can you do the anger one where you're in? Right. I felt it. I felt pain. I felt anguish. I felt you were being rude. Were you being rude?
I was being very rude.
And you must share your Hindi tutor's name now.
Yes, Anita.
I think that's the name. I think that was exactly the name. I mean, I would name him that because that's the work. The work that we've got. Is the correct name? Correct title? Ji, aaj se aap to. Okay, national anthem. Oopsie, big one.
Big one.
Okay, have you all read Soli Sorabji, ex-Attorney General's comments on national anthem?
No.
No, I haven't read.
No.
Beautifully
Not at all.
put. His point was that, why do you force people to do these kind of things? What do they, A, want to go to the toilet? B, how does that translate into their knowledge of India, their knowledge of patriotism, their knowledge of the flag, of the Constitution of India? How do you correlate this to standing up?
What? My question is, what is
If
nationalism?
there's a fire, what do you do? Do you continue standing up till the song is over?
And what
do you
is
do?
nationalism? Like, what constitutes as Indian?
No, and what? There might be a moron there who stands up but hates the country.
Right.
What is standing up got to do
What
with
is-
patriotism?
This whole respect, even in the Hindi language, I'm learning, like, there's like, you have to say,
Be careful what you say because this topic is sensitive.
No,
And-
I say like in the Hindi language, there's like forced respect. Like if you refer to a politician, you have to use a certain preposition or you have to use a certain adjective
Well-
compared to if you talk to your maid my teacher's teaching me this.
but there's an easy way out. You just be
Gopal
respectful.
wants to say something.
No,
right
be
now
respectful to
about
everyone.
this.
He's the
No,
Hindi
I'm
Pandit, he'll
saying,
explain it.
Yeah, it's not like that.
you go to
It's
Lucknow-
up to you. It's up to you. I mean,
If you
Sure,
go to
but
Lucknow,
this-
you'll never hear tu. You'll never hear it.
You'll
I
never-
know, but
yeah.
this forced
This is
respect
all
for your
wrong.
elders,
It's not
this forced
forced.
respect.
No, when you
Even our
it's not
culture.
necessary,
But
yeah.
even in our culture, we have to respect
No, but that
people
we are
with higher status.
It's the human translation of Hindi. I think the language itself can be very respectful. You just remain respectful. There's no need
But
to be disrespectful
What I'm
to
saying,
anyone.
Fair to anyone. But what
Yeah.
I'm saying, like this forced respect for your elders in the culture,
yeah.
and this forced respect to your country, like you're forcing people. I think respect should be earned. It
You're
shouldn't
right,
be
you're right.
forced on
You're
you.
absolutely
You are
right. The question is it only an Indian trait? Where where you respect your elders? Or is it in other countries that too? In China, in other parts of Asia, will
maybe
you
other
find
Asian
it?
countries.
Is it an Asian phenomenon vis-a-vis? Is it? Are we saying that in Europe they don't respect you just because you're older?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm asking
my
questions.
cousins had to call me Ben. Pinky Ben.
I'll just say one thing. I think Gopal's
Piggy
politics
Ben?
is left of center. I think mine is also slightly left of center and his is center. I'm not sure where your politics are, but I think it's also left and liberal.
Yeah.
The problem with all this is what we can't understand, I think because of the way we are brought up in our politics and a certain liberal attitude, is why you force people to do anything. The forcing is the problem more than anything. It's never what the options are, what it is. It's only the forcing. The forcing makes you feel like a fascist country, makes you feel backward, makes you feel medieval.
Yeah.
And at 10:30 in the night after a long day's work, you cannot stand up. It's just wrong. How does it correlate to patriotism?
Yeah.
End of the day, his brother may have died in Kargil. Are you going to say that they're not patriotic? I mean, what's the point?
That's what I'm saying. What
Sorry,
constitutes
I don't mean it that way.
patriotism?
Yeah.
No, I have a bigger point, okay? See, in this conversation that we are having, I'm afraid to make a comment at the moment. I'm afraid to say what is really in my mind. Why am I feeling afraid in this stage of my life? I never felt afraid 20 years ago living in this country.
But I've watched your
today,
technique and I will say it. I will honestly say it without fear. I have seen you, we go to movies together. I have seen you take the first verse to get up. Slowly, in your very
takes me time to
tired
get
manner,
up.
like, I'm too fat, I can't fit. 1, 2, 5, 10 seconds jata hai usme. Then suddenly the great body is up.
Lovely.
And as it goes up, it's time to go down.
That's a great. Yeah, we got to find loopholes now.
Yeah, sort of. I am sad, but that's
Yeah.
the truth. But and then you see, I've seen people fight in cinemas as well.
Yeah.
This is your patriotism, telling somebody to stand up. This is it. Why do you go and help some person who's unfortunate, who
Exactly.
needs a job?
And then-
treat people under you a little better.
They'll stand up for the national anthem, but they'll throw papers on the road.
Yeah, there
I'm
you go.
like,
The same person.
Yes.
Same person.
They'll spit
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the road.
I'm like, you have no respect for this
Yeah,
country. You'll
yeah.
spit on the road, you'll pee on the road, you'll throw a kachra on the road. I'm sorry.
You're right.
Don't-
So I think we're all agreement here.
Yes.
The government is right. That's right thing to say.
Very good decision.
Fair enough. Fawad Khan being... This is of the same coin, almost of the same flavor.
Yeah.
This whole anti-Pakistan issue. Now, whatever's going on in the borders, do we have a certain consensus that all Pakistanis have to be banned? There should be no commerce. Because at the moment, let me tell you, there's no such thing as no commerce with Pakistan. By law, by government.
Correct.
There's no such diktat.
That is it. We should follow the laws of the country. If the law is passed in parliament that nobody from Pakistan should be allowed to work, we have to follow the law. At the moment, it's all ambiguous. People are just getting emotional and doing whatever they want. Who the hell is the censor board to make the decision? He doesn't have the right. The parliament has to make decisions. Censor board chief doesn't make decisions of these kinds.
Parliament doesn't let Rahul speak.
Well, then Rahul now...
Not your cousin.
Yeah.
Probably from the same school, but the other Rahul. Yeah. No, coming back to the Pakistani artist, sir, you are a genuine artist who does play still. No matter what else you do, you're always going back to do your theatre. If you are a Pakistani artist in your troupe, a guy who's, supposing he's a Pakistani playwright, or it's an Indian, say it's a play by Iqbal, for example, and you all want to do it and this Pakistani actor is part of the troupe, would you
He
welcome him or
always
not?
brings his mother-in-law into the story, you know.
Who's his mother?
It's a long story. Gopal, would you allow a Pakistani actor into your troupe?
No, that is what Kunal is saying. If there is a rule that we can't use a Pakistan, then I won't. But there is no rule. There is no such rule. And if I really need an actor from Pakistan or whatever, I'll
tell you, I follow Pakistani cricket, the Pakistani cricket team. I followed all my life. And many of them are my heroes. Is that wrong?
Okay, I just want 1 second. I just want to ask you, why can't we get actors from India to act in our movies?
What's your point?
My point is, shouldn't we use the people who are in this country already?
No, but
Give the
that's
opportunities to the people
That
in the
is again-
country.
That's fair enough, but my point is you shouldn't be forced again. No, you're
Yeah,
forcing
yeah.
people to make decisions.
But I'm also just like, why did we have to go? Why
I
do we
agree
have to
with
look
you.
for
Why
actors
we need?
outside?
Why we? Yeah.
There's
Because
a
we have
reason.
so many
There's a
people
reason.
here.
Yes. Why we
Pakistani
need-
artists are cheaper. It's
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's all economic.
Then it's wrong.
then-
If it's not for the
We should
artistic
have-
reason,
yeah.
then it's not.
And the
correct.
opportunity, there's enough people here for those. I think we should give opportunities to us Indians.
Yes.
I'm Indian.
Okay. All right. So Kareez is anti-Pakistan. Whatever happens.
No, I mean, I'm
it's
just
very
saying,
clearly anti-Pakistan.
just choose from within.
What does that mean?
Like,
Hello, I'm also anti-Pakistan, by the way. Of course, I'm completely. It's an enemy country. End
no,
of
but
story.
not all of them are enemies. It's just the state that's an
State.
enemy.
I'm talking about the state.
Okay,
only.
but you decide you want to be comedians or philosophers. I'm very confused. When are you trying to do the comedy? When are you doing the philosophy? I can't get it now.
Hey,
Nobody else can.
Comedy is a form of philosophy.
All right. All right. Hindi mein. Now, come on, give it to me.
Huh? Philosophy.
Hindi mein?
What's philosophy in Hindi?
Philosophy.
Comedy gyan hai. Comedy
Gyan is
zindagi.
knowledge.
Yeah.
Comedy zindagi का ज्ञान है.
But what is comedy? What is comedy in Hindi?
Comedy ज्ञान है मगर लोग हंस रहा.
I think you should go to Pakistan. You have a great career there in Lahore.
No, I'm asking this question. How much does a Hindi tutor charge?
It's not. It's 300 rupees per class.
And this is the result?
No, I think there's some confusion. I think the tutor's paying her. From what I gather, he has a lot of stress in his life. Kanis, aap aaiye. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ and tak. Everybody's
Or
happy.
maybe she's doing something else also.
Okay,
in
we
the
have to go
house.
to break.
She cook something. and-
Kanis, yeah, maybe. Kanis, can you do the break in Hindi for us as we go to break?
हेलो सब लोग, आप सुनना, ये साइरस बोला का शो है और मैं कनीज हूँ, ये कुणाल विजयकर हूँ, ये गोपाल दत्त और साइरस है. चलो हम शुशु करो.
Shushu karo. What does that mean? Pisab.
हम पिसाब करो और कॉफी
That break
पियो.
doesn't mean people have to go and pee. They download stuff online. It's what? Why? Please stay where you are. There's no such. It's not really a break. I just 1 second. We just have to talk off camera. Come here.
What's the best new restaurant in town?
Which bar sucked? What's the worst new Hindi film? What's the most obscure thing to do on the weekend?
And what's the most interesting new walking tour?
If you want to know how to make the most of Bombay, listen to the Podcast by thedailypow.com. We are Pronuti.
Amit?
And Purva.
We're your guide to what to do, see, and eat in the city. You can find new episodes of the Podcast every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you prefer, and on thedailypow.com.
Kunal Vijaykar, Kanis Surka, Gopal Dutt Tiwari, Cyrus Brocha, in and as. Looking for work actors. Okay, guys, here on Cyrus Says, we're looking back at the year from the eyes of people over the age of 30. Gopal, aap to
29.
Chalo, 32. I'll give you 32. Kanis,
33.
31, 32, 33. Kunal,
I'm older. I'm much older.
one second.
34.
Kanis, how do you say 85 in Hindi?
पाँच और अत्रह.
That's not it. You just do a Hindi show with numbers. It'll be a huge hit.
Yeah.
We ask you numbers, you give us your answer.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, what
And
is
you
the
should make. I think she should make videos for kids.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi
Yeah,
numbers
yeah.
by
Sesame
Kanis.
Street. Yeah.
It'll be on the government's banned list within 5 days.
It'll be the most unpatriotic thing ever.
Yeah. National anthem no longer an issue, but no Hindi from her. That's been a request. Okay, let's talk 2016 demonetization.
Oh.
Go ahead.
I'll need
How have you
some
suffered?
cash. I'm generally. I
I have a
thought
lot of
I'll-
100 rupee notes, by the way.
मैंने सोचा था I'll ask
out here
Kunal
only-
to give me some money because seriously I don't have.
Go to the
See,
serious.
one of us,
I'll
has a lot of black money here. Let's just be honest. Who does shows and earns in cash? Kunal, you cook for rich ladies and they pay you in cash and tips. So you've got lots of cash over the last
And
few
kind.
years. No, kind. They've stopped. Look at him. So honestly, tell us, what did you do with all that black money?
No.
The
Well,
500 and the 1,000.
honestly, I have no black money. I am now at the moment living on borrowed cash. I have borrowed
That's
from my
India. That's the
brother-in-law.
country. We've been borrowing from.
Your mother-in-law?
My brother-in-law, I borrowed 5,000 rupees from him because there was no way to get cash. The only option
Is this some
to-
sort of dowry settlement?
No,
Yeah.
but I couldn't.
Tarah?
Look. Can you imagine me standing in the line in a bank?
I can never
Outside
imagine
an
this.
ATM?
How dare they make
No.
you suffer?
No.
How dare they?
So
मेरा
what
तो
is my
उल्टा है
option?
कि bank is making
Yes,
you outside.
Yes,
for-
yes, he's right. All the banks are heading towards Papa, standing outside and shouting your name.
So what option do I have if I can't stand in the queue and
Kunal,
withdraw money? I have to
you
borrow
have
money.
suffered
I'm
like
living
no one has
on
suffered.
borrowed money.
I know, and your lifestyle has changed.
No, credit card is a no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
But cash is a problem, boss.
I've
No
actually-
cash.
I haven't used cash in a month. Like, I've just been using my card and Paytm.
So how do you tip
everywhere.
people?
I don't.
I even.
She's a comedian.
Yeah,
If she
I
doesn't
don't
tip
tip
people, they don't laugh.
I don't tip
That's how it
people.
works.
I deposited my maid's pagar into her account. I deposited all the money into accounts.
It's all illegal, huh?
Huh? Why?
He's just scaring you.
So yeah, I've
So when
actually.
you go to a restaurant in bar, now what do you do?
I paid my card.
And you don't give a tip on
No.
cash tip at all.
No, all bars and everybody, please.
And they charge service
look,
charge.
everybody, look at the bill. They're charging service
It's
charge.
very
You don't need
confusing.
to pay.
Service charge, service tax, service what?
No, there's tax
No,
and
service
charge.
charge
Two
is tip.
Service charge.
So then we don't pay when we see service
Then you
charge.
don't.
No.
Yeah. Nowhere in the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing to know now that we have to count our money. pennies.
Everyone knew that.
At
I
least
did- I
one
did-
around for like years.
usable
I'll tell you,
information.
For me, this has been an eye opener. In spite of the fact that I've never had cash
Yeah.
before
Cyrus
or
has
after,
never
so
had
my
cash.
life hasn't changed because I don't carry. I believe cash is dangerous.
Yeah,
It's like a gun. You use it, so I don't carry.
Yes. Correct.
So it's okay for me, but I do feel bad.
And I actually saved money this month because I didn't have cash on me.
Really?
Yeah, like I'm not just, like
So
I know where my money
now
is
that we're
going.
discussing money and demonetization, how much did you earn this year, Kanis? और हिंदी में कितना पैसा बनाया आपने?
Oh, wow, it's zyada.
The check amount. Don't tell us the cash.
Yeah, because that'll be illegal. So then
नहीं, actually, सब सफेद में है.
Safed.
Kunal, how much did you make this year?
I made nothing this year. Honestly, I made
Really?
nothing. Really.
He made his dignity back.
That's too much. Gopal, how much money you make?
So
Everyone's silent. in talking softly now.
No. For me, nothing has changed. I was cashless earlier. I'm cashless.
Cashless
right
now also.
I don't want to say because
And
everyone will
theatre-
be
All
jealous
those,
of me.
okay, jokes apart.
And theatre still pays 100 rupees a show, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And it's all-
who's supportive of the demonetization? Be honest, and who thinks it's a bad idea?
Honestly, I'm not an economist, so I don't know whether it's a good
Yes.
idea or
Why
bad
are you
idea.
saying I'm not an
I
economist?
don't know.
This is
I
a
don't know.
gutless answer.
No,
Be
but
honest and
I'll
say
tell you what.
What your gut
I'll tell you
says.
what my gut says. My
Yeah.
gut says that seeing people in 2016 standing in long queues is wrong.
For their
Without
own
without
money.
deodorant.
Whatever
Yeah.
the issue is, we look like Soviet Russia in the days when you stood in queues for bread and money.
Darker shades.
Maybe. Yeah.
And this is their own money.
Yeah.
They're not standing in queue for something
That
they
is
don't
wrong.
own.
Which they're hoping is still their own money.
How long do we support this patiently and quietly because it's for the good of the country? I don't know.
Initially it was 15 days. Now it's been pushed a bit.
Yeah, so-
but they're
so-
saying by the time we get the World Cup, football World Cup in India, we should have it all.
Which is never.
At the moment, not before 2028. I'll get back to you on that. Kanis,
Yeah,
are you
that's
supporting demonetization?
No,
The philosophy was good, you thought, for corruption and all?
Yeah, initially when the first 2 days I was like, oh, cool, this is going to end like, all the terrorist acts and if that's.
No, and you dealing with landlords, you guys who come from outside Bombay, everybody asks you for cash for everything.
Yeah,
So
I'm like, this is cool. I'm like, I like this, everything's on white, everything's on paper, I like this. But I've seen a lot of like poor people suffer, like the lower class suffer. I'm like, this is not fair. Like, I don't like that they have to go through this.
amazing. You come from South Africa, black-white problem there, black-white
Yeah,
problem here.
yeah.
Just wherever you go. Gopal.
No, I think I'm confused like Kunal. I don't know whether it's a good thing, but I think if it's a good thing, the execution is not correct. It should be.
They should have had a better plan.
But,
Like if you
yeah.
say 15 days, then it should be around those
Yeah.
15 days. It shouldn't
And
be.
also, I'd like a list.
Yeah, that's my Kunal's phone.
But it was
A professional actor who keeps his phone on silent. He does so much work every day.
From the bank.
And now he says, yes, the bank calling.
No, we'll just take it for that. No. So what I was trying to.
You fraud. You can't fool people who know you every day. Okay, maybe these two guys don't know you, but we are fraud. And if Gopal's
I lost my train
phone,
of
phone went in the middle of a show.
Yeah, but it's your wife calling.
Yeah, but don't take my wife. It's your fucking phone. I have no control over who I married.
I've
It was arranged.
just.
This has been going
put
on
it
for 10
silent.
years.
10 years every week.
Every week.
De-wifeization.
Yeah, now-
You were saying, Kunal.
I've completely lost my train.
I've lost interest in you.
Can we go
Post
to the-
Diwali, we had the Delhi pollution issue. Okay, Sirji, you have studied in Delhi. It's close to your heart. Or but it's not close to your heart, but it's close to your senses.
Yeah.
Because it's just got this fog. There's no control over it now.
Yeah.
People actually plan their life, thinking, December, Jan, bad months. Let's not do this. Let's not go towards the north. Let's not go to Delhi. And Lahore is even worse from what I gather.
Maybe it's a good thing for women. Maybe it's safer now. Now that people can't see you.
Yeah, but it's a bad thing for men because people molest anything because they can't take a chance.
Yeah.
You may not find someone again. Yeah.
Did you have an experience, Cyrus?
I've tried both sides. And I must say I love Delhi. Okay. Coming back to the fog. Why with science and technology and all that we have, how come we can't deal with this fog a little better vis-a-vis aircraft, railroad travel, car travel, that kind of thing? Isn't there ways to make you see through fogs?
There are airlines all over the world now can go through land and take off under any kind of weather conditions, unless of course it's like a huge storm. But visibility is never an issue for landing and
So
taking
why
off
is it
anywhere in the
an
Are
world.
we
issue in
talking
India?
about fog or are we talking about the pollution?
I think we should talk about both.
Both.
I
First,
think
both.
let's
Smog.
talk about pollution. Fog
Yeah.
is a natural phenomenon.
Yeah.
Pollution is
But we can
created
deal with
by
the fog.
us.
We can deal with the fog in the 21st century. But since you want to talk pollution, carry on, sir.
Yeah.
No, I'm
And also this fog is not fog, it's smog. It's pollution and fog
Yeah.
together.
When you mix the Sharmas and the Singhs with
Yes.
fog, it becomes smog. That's what she's trying to say.
Yes.
Yeah.
Smog.
Yeah.
Smoke and fog.
Okay, so looking at it holistically, it's a big issue. And why
it's a
don't
big issue
why
and
doesn't
it's
it get
created
better?
by us and it's very dangerous. और मेरे को एक दिवाली के टाइम पे एक मैसेज आया था कि लोग जो दिन भर एसी में बैठे रहते हैं दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दे आर सेइंग कि पटाखे मत जलाओ So why this blame game? I don't understand. What is this?
Yeah, we in our country, and I'm sorry to say this, you always want to blame the slightly better off person. It's unfortunate because we have a lot of poor people.
But
in the
Gopal
country.
doesn't blame you.
But this whole thing about you people living in ACs. Like Times Now used to go on saying those celebrities get away with it. The celebrities are also Indian citizens, boss. It's not like the poor people have more rights than the middle class people. The middle class people have more rights. Anyway, point
So
being,
you're fighting for the rich people now. At last, someone should fight for the rich.
I think somebody should.
Because no one talks about the poor rich lobby who's standing there
Having come back
in
to
air conditions, not sweating, but feeling pain.
No, but
No, you're right.
What nonsense?
Why not?
Why
should only be about the poor?
Yeah.
Somebody has to talk for the other people. You are the voice of the rich.
Having said that,
tell them about your suffering.
This poor
how you had only one driver growing up, and now it must have been
this
hurtful for
poor man is going on Swachh Bharat, the Prime Minister. Is anybody listening to him?
Not the rich.
I am paying.
This
I'm paying
is
a tax on it.
anti-national.
I am paying
Crackers
a tax.
are anti-national.
They should be made.
They should be anti-national.
They should be made anti-national. I'm paying a 0.2% or whatever says Swachh Bharat says. How many people are paying this cess? So I'm doing my bit.
Maybe Gopal.
I'm doing my bit.
I'm paying.
I'm doing my bit. Have you seen our beautiful hill stations that were left behind?
Yeah,
What is the state of our? You go to Darjeeling, it is rubbish.
Fuck all.
Look, and who's done it? We've only done it to ourselves.
The foreign tourists are very clean. They don't do it.
Yeah,
they don't throw things. It's us.
Yeah, pollution and littering and.
So here we've come to the philosophy that it's
anti-national.
human pollution from our side more than
course
anything
it is.
else that causes this metaphorical.
What is the
pollution.
point of celebrities sweeping roads and for cameras?
They don't. That's only two moves of the broom, and then the spot boy takes
I
the broom.
think where people should get angry when they see people littering and not standing up for the national anthem, because that is more effective than.
But I have now.
I'm starting a campaign. Watch.
You carry on. It's your show. I've slept.
You can.
Go
No,
on.
but our big problem is that there is no infrastructure. We have a huge population in this country. After Sanjay Gandhi, no government has ever even
Try to neuter the men.
tried to even
Cut off their
address
vast deference.
Address
The vast
because the
deference between
Sanjay
all
Gandhi
of us.
fear was so big, and what they did at that time was so wrong.
You were a big supporter, though.
No, I was very little.
What do you mean?
I
What do
was
you mean? In what context? What the hell are you saying?
That no government subsequently has had the guts to take up population as an issue.
Yeah.
Although that is our main problem. It's everything
What do we
stems
do?
from that.
You think it's morally correct
It's
for us to give
education.
30% of Indians away to Bangladesh or something?
No,
like that?
you educate people. You educate people that who are having 3 children, unnecessarily 4 children.
People who work for me.
Yeah, people who work for you, people who work for...
One of those 3 children are mine in every case. What can I do? Yeah. It was
And why-
dark. It was dark.
So we are all
She was
still...
heavily medicated.
we're
Come on, for God's sake. Every man for himself.
Cyrus is
We are
really trying to
still
push
living-
comedy here.
We are still living in some sort of dark ages, and the people who should be trying to influence and change us are not doing it. So the whole male child, we need a male child. So you keep on trying to have children till you get a male child. Wrong. But who's going to educate people? People have to be educated.
And then when a male child grows up, they look like us. For God's
We
sake.
should start a campaign
Think this through.
called
What is the use?
I don't know.
And the 4 of us should
Of
start a
having a male
campaign.
child like you.
You're telling me.
The 4 of us should start a campaign called "The Child That Wasn't."
No, that gives a new spin to it.
That's a great idea.
Right? The child that wasn't.
You're the only woman, you'll have to bear the child.
Yep, I'm prepared.
No, it's all virtual. You
the
don't have
child
a
that
child.
wasn't.
Can I be the pregnant one then? I just want to know what it's like. Kunal, what is it
It's
like?
a damn eerie title, but it
can be a horror
eerie
movie.
horror.
It can be a horror movie.
The child that wasn't.
That wasn't.
Cyrus, starring
Mummy.
Cyrus Barocha.
Mummy, मैं आ गया. The child
That wasn't.
But Mummy Mein Aa Gaya is like a 70s Jitendra film. Suddenly in the middle, can't we have a more scary dialogue?
No, that is the child is not there.
Oh.
You're not
There is no
understanding.
child.
There is no child.
But there is a
There's
Just
voice
the sound.
that says-
Mummy, मैं आ गया.
I see.
Mummy, kana do. The child that wasn't.
Oh, the child is so thin and malnutrition that
No.
you can't see the child.
He doesn't get it, man. He doesn't get it.
I'm a very Western bent of mind, not able to understand the Orient at all.
Western.
All right, let's move on. We've got a couple of topics left. Brexit and its impact.
Yeah, I know.
I
I think
think
Brexit has started this whole feeling of negativity in the West.
I think it's very important to eat first thing in the morning.
Okay, Gopal, as an adult, in the middle of a conversation with infants, I'm asking you, Brexit.
It should be. I don't know. It's a wrong spelling. It's exit.
Second, the moment Britain looked at its imperialistic moments and almost like racist moment to find its own place and move away from Europe, it sent a negative sort of energy to everybody there.
To the whole of Europe.
And now you see with Italy and a few more cases, suddenly you might have all this happening. And in America, also a sense of nationalism giving Donald Trump.
Here's my
wrong sense of
problem with American nationalism.
Yeah.
That country doesn't belong to you, pieces of shit. Like at least Britain.
Who are you talking to?
To the American white people.
Thank God, they're talking to me.
No, like the British people, okay, yeah, this is your land, you're native to this land. But America, you're not native to that land. That land isn't yours. And you killed off all the people who were native on that land.
The Red Indians.
The Red
Native
Indians.
Americans.
Why? Why should we say
They
this is all
people
rubbish?
get offended.
They don't get offended.
How do you know?
I'm telling you, the non-Native Americans get offended.
But have you met a Native American? Have you called them Red Indian and seen the result?
No, I haven't.
And how do you know? But you sit here in your air-conditioned room.
But we played cowboys and Red Indians all our lives.
No, it was wrong. It was wrong.
And
no,
Gollywogs.
so that's my issues. I don't like this whole make America great again. I'm like, make it what? Like, that's my problem with Americans. They actually think that land belongs to them.
God, you sound more and more leftist. You sound Russian to me now. And not this Brezhnev Russia, I'm talking. 50s. I'm looking 50s.
Did you see Brezhnev's eyebrows?
Only you would notice Brezhnev's eyebrows. The whole world was
Because I was the only person born at that point of time in this group.
And that is the thing about Kunal. He just noticed makeup.
Yes, bang on, spot on. Yes.
What
the
do
most
you
evil
think
man.
About
correct.
Putin?
Yes,
he's red. His forehead is red.
I'm telling you that if he had to write Hitler's biography, 87% would have been about his face. That's it. Philosophy would have been 2 pages. Yeah. Exactly.
And his tie.
Yeah. Sorry, this is slightly in jokes. You have to know Kunal to understand. His interest as a heterosexual man, his love for makeup and ties knows no bounds.
I don't think that
stereotype holds.
Yeah.
And you should watch your mouth.
Yes.
You Native American slayer. Hiawatha, your ass. Sorry, go on, Kanis. Vent. I want you to vent.
No,
Please
why is this world going towards such a the left side? Why?
We're not going left. We're going right. The world is going right. That's the problem.
The world is not going right.
It's going wrong.
It's going wrong.
Look, I'll tell you. To look at it from a slightly philosophical point of view, it is the circle of life. We started off very, very
right. Circle is your biography because you're like a bloody circle of life. Really.
Life of a circle.
It's like a giant panda has come to life and talking to me from across the room.
Biography will call Life of a Circle.
Life of a Circle. I love insulting people. It's such a nice thing to do.
How many more topics do we have? How much more longer do we have to
go?
She's bored.
That's it. Let's look at 2017 before we wrap. What do you expect it to be a better year? 2017?
Inshallah.
Yeah, but that's not answering it. Come on, tell me honestly. Do you think things are going to be good?
Yes.
Or are you worried because of 2016, the growth of the Brexit things, the Donald Trump, right-wing growth in India, cultural values being devalued, liberal thought being pushed aside, perhaps?
I just want one video of mine to go viral. Just one video.
After talking all this politics and philosophy.
All you have to do is
this is what
you and Anupam Kher have to sit and have a discussion where you take him on and say all kinds of mean things and it'll go viral.
I was thinking of doing a sex video.
Viral.
And leak it myself.
Alone or with the man?
Doesn't matter. But then I'll
Why man? Why do you presume man?
It.
Could be with a woman?
Yeah.
Okay, I presume
could be with
wrong.
a plant?
Okay.
Plant?
With like what?
Look, budgets dictate. Budgets
only.
dictate. All right? You be lucky if a plant says yes. As far as I'm concerned, yeah. So, Kanis, we lost interest in your answer.
No, I think... yes.
What?
2017, भाई, positive या negative?
देखा एक शेर है गालिब का बहुत गाड़ी उर्दू में कि देखिए पाते हैं क्या उस शाख बुतों से फैज एक ब्राह्मण ने कहा है ये साल अच्छा है.
Why is there a shark?
Ironic?
Why is there a shark there?
Who's shark?
So the irony is in the sarcasm.
Nobody.
No, I understood vaguely.
I've understood totally.
Yeah, please translate that for me.
It says that मतलब let's try our luck कि क्या what खजाना फैज is खजाना उस शाख बुतों से means beautiful this thing persons.
Okay.
क्या मिलेगा देखते हैं
See what we get.
एक ब्राह्मण मतलब जो
ज्योतिष
predict करते हैं, उसने कहा है कि ये साल अच्छा है.
So it's like sarcastic.
Okay.
Making fun of the charlatans who predict things and all.
Got it. Okay.
That's vaguely what it is. So he's not. What he's trying to do, as usual, is not give me a commitment.
Yeah.
Hiding behind his philosophy and his poetry. That leaves us with that great philosopher.
Yeah.
The life of a circle. The life of a circle coming
So,
soon.
if you ask me how the next year is going to be, I come back to my philosophy.
Yeah.
It's a circle of life. Okay. Now, for the next 50 years, we're going to have bad times. We've had very good times for the last 50 years in terms of liberal thought, etc., etc., etc. It is time for life to take a full circle again and come back in a little time. That is what I predict is going to happen.
50 years.
I'm normally right.
His dates are always precise. This is the Jyotish. The same Jyotish that Galip talked about. It's very, very clear. November 15, 2061, it'll all change.
Lovely.
He's always perfect. But thank you so much for... I was hoping to get more thought, but what we got was a lot of rubbish.
I thought my opinions were pretty like.
I thought as long as you spoke Hindi...
So I agree with you, Kanis.
You held our interest. Yeah.
And I thought we are here for comedy, for fun, and then after this we'll have lunch.
We're getting lunch, right?
We can have lunch.
We're getting lunch, right?
No, 2017 will decide.
From Cyrus.
From Cyrus.
You're not getting lunch.
2017 we'll get a decision on this. Till then, thank you so much. You guys have been wonderful.
Thank you for having us.
Raju, Asif, and
Shakuntala.
Shakuntala, sorry. Please, next time wear name tags.
Yes, sir.
Right? Happy New Year.
Thank you, Cyrus says.
And now, before you go, we have one final word from me.
Hello there, my name is Naveen Narona, and as a gay person in India, I get asked a lot of stupid questions.
Beta, is it LGBT or eligibility?
How do two men procreate?
Bro, is Grindr better than Tinder or what?
We answer all these questions and much more on my podcast, Keeping It Queer, where I talk to individuals from the LGBT community in India and learn about their personal stories. Catch all the episodes on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app you like. Till then, keep it queer.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have May in the studio.
Hi.
I don't know why, but she's here. Yeah, May, go on.
You guys look like you're all asleep. Are you
No. Very dejected, very cynical. They've looked into their own lives. And Kanis has realized that no video is going to go viral unless she has sex with a leading actor. Kunal realizes that rich people are not being represented enough in Parliament. And he's going to do something about
my
it.
video is already out, but no one is
Nobody
watching.
cares. Nobody cares. Because he can't make up, he won't align himself with any group. He works with everybody. He's like that guy who doesn't have a political party. He just goes everywhere.
Which is the way it should be, huh?
Okay.
This
I
loyalty is highly
actually
overrated.
I went for a party that was actually a political party, so everyone had to be like dressed in white. It was actually like a.
It's a funeral.
It was a theme party.
It's a theme party.
So
It's called a political party.
Got it. We're not laughing because we're all comedians, and unless we make our own jokes, we don't tend to support
That's
it.
true.
It's the way we are. We're small-minded. Gopal doesn't understand, and Kanis has gone to sleep. But I'm talking about me and Kunal.
Kanis on the phone.
I'm not. I'm here in.
She's downloading
in person.
She's downloading her own stuff.
Watching herself on YouTube, like pat myself on the back.
May. Gopal has to go. He's working in somebody else's video.
Why are we here? What can we leave?
Existentialism. We're here because God put us here. Maybe not. Now you can talk.
The answer is 42.
51. Check on Google.
42.
Can you start?
Yeah, I can.
Question number 1 from May.
So it's not from me, but it's from people. So are you planning to do any other projects apart from Cyrus Says? It would be great if you had a YouTube channel with some great content from you. That's from Sid.
Sid, it's a great idea, but right now we have too much work because I work more than 2 days a week, and I've always thought that if you work 3 days a week, your quality will suffer. So I'm trying to stay with what I have because I don't want to.
But don't you have a YouTube channel?
I have many. I've outsourced them. Like a typical Indian, I've just sublet it. And I'm making lots of money. Other people use them and they pay me.
Thank you
Gopal
so much
has
for
some,
letting me
Kanis
use
has some. Yeah. Kunal, I can't give you because you don't fit in any freaking tube.
I don't want your
Tube in you doesn't work.
I don't want
Can you see yourself in a
channel.
tube? No, no tube. Boob maybe, not tube.
Are you saying that Kunal's one of those things? You know when you like push the toothpaste out and you can't put it back in the tube?
I have never seen an analogy with Kunal and a toothpaste. Have you seen the size of a toothpaste? Oh, come on.
But have you seen my size?
Okay.
He meant it differently. She didn't
Wow, yeah, I realized that. I was trying to
He was trying to show off. That's what she didn't get it. Sorry, Sorry. Male talk.
Why do so many adults equate animation to just kids?
I don't know. I love porn in cartoon form. For me, it's really fun. Gopal, आपका जवाब. Why
I have no idea.
No, why do people presume कि animation तो बच्चों का है and that no adults can enjoy animation?
No, it's not true. It's not true. I love animation films.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
my
I've
favorite
learned so
film
much.
is
That doesn't
Inside
support
Out.
the case.
Exactly.
Inside Out is my favorite.
brilliant.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's
I've not seen Inside Out.
What are you saying? It's a brilliant film.
Mine is Priyadarshini Park, South Park. What is it?
South Park.
South Park, Family Guy. They're very adult.
Yeah, it's all.
Yeah.
What about Simpsons?
Horseman
Simpsons
Jack.
fun for
Simpsons,
everybody.
very
I watched with the whole family.
Wait, BoJack Horseman.
Yeah.
Seriously, anything.
Yeah, anything will go now.
The worst South Indian accent I've ever heard.
Mine?
You can't do a South
I
Indian
can
accent.
completely do a South Indian accent.
Kanis, one language at a time.
Kanis, you still got to work with us. I suggest you stay with us.
It's South Indian African accent.
That's such a bad accent.
Man.
I thought I taught you well.
You taught me nothing, man.
How do you all know each other, by the way? How do you all know each other?
How do we not
They were touring
know
South
that?
India together. Didn't you pick it up? Come on, May.
Oh,
Next
yeah,
question.
really? Next question. Okay. Why do you think beggars ask for money using God's name without realizing the irony?
I don't know. Kunal is, Kunal is very good with beggars.
It's deep.
It's very good.
Very good. He doesn't open the... He opens the window only half inch and puts the music really loud.
No.
And then they can't really make a point.
Everything in our country sells under the name of God. It's in most countries, everything sells under the name of God. God,
I mean, in most notes they say, in God we trust. I don't know why. What's God got to do with the money? Now we know, though. We need God for sure. India needs God.
You appeal to man's fears, and most people fear God.
So they're good marketing tools.
Yeah.
Or rather sales
Do you think
tools.
God's a good marketing tool?
Well, using God. We don't know if God exists or not.
Godmen, all great
Do
marketing
you think you'd
ideas.
use God to promote Cyrus says?
I only use God in the bedroom. Because when she runs away, I say, oh God. It's like that. But otherwise, I'm not very religious. I'm not very religious.
No, Gopal, you will not laugh.
Oh, sorry.
No.
1 minute, May. He's laughing because he was in the bedroom. There were both of us and the girl. I said, oh God. He kept chasing.
You think it's going to get better and then it doesn't.
I didn't. For a second, I actually had hope in my heart. And then...
May, we can segue into South Indian accents.
Not like you can do a South Indian accent at all.
I don't want it. I don't want to.
Wow.
So bad.
May, can you please have the next question? It's going nowhere.
The questions are over.
Oh, questions are over?
All lovely.
But May, please wish our guests all the best for 2017 because
best for 2017.
I can't do it with a straight face. I really don't want them to succeed, so it's up to you.
I have a question.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, please.
Yeah, I said
What's
it.
your question?
Oh God.
how
I said it
much-
again.
How much longer do we have to sit here for?
Oh God. 3 times. Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called May.
And that's what Cyrus says.
If you're looking for a foreign education, if you want work abroad, if you're an NRI, or if you're just a gangster on the run, On Course is the podcast for you. It'll teach you how to get your career in shape before you get yourself in shape. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.